I accept the terms and conditions. So we will press continue, then close, and then press start new project, and we will name it A2Z A2Z, and we will do press OK. And now, yeah. So now today we will learn how to make a app in which we can learn ABCD. So it will be very helpful in this time of COVID, as children aren't getting education. So because of that, so then let's take, so we can delete it. So if I want to delete it, we can delete it from here. So let's go to layout section and take a table arrangement. So let's put it here, yes, and then here, and we can go to user interface and take so let's make the table arrangements. Height is equal to fill parent, and width also fill parent. And now we will make the columns 3, rows. So let's take it 9. And we will go to screen 1 and make it scrollable. Just check the box. Yes, now the screen can be scrollable, and let's put it here, 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 here. So up and then again. So let me go again. One more 18th button, then 19, 20, 21, and 22. So there are 26 letters in English there are 26 letters here. So we have taken 26 buttons. Let's put it here, and then so let me do the height is fill parent, so let's do it 90% and take this so so till then, so let's make the height 200 pixels and the width also 2. 100 pixels. And so we can copy this and put it in pixels. And then again so let's do a till tablet size and then width 100. So again again and again. So it will be again again so now we have did the height same. So now we have to just backspace the all of the text. So now for button 6, so now it can fit in font size. So now let's rename it. So let's make it A B so now we will make it D present so this is 3. So now let's go to blocks. So now let's go to when a click to. So we have to also take a text to speech. We can search here text to speech. Yeah. So this is an invisible component and let's do the pitch to 50 and we can put this in backpack so that it gets duplicated until we remove it from the backpack. So we can change it to, then again go take one, this So let's just delete them for now, and then let's go to text to speech and take this, go up, get text and take this. So we can take, say, A for apple, and now we can put it in the backpack and take 26. Four are done. 5. So let's minimize a bit. In recording show, yes. So now let's do for B. B for ball, and then let's do it C for cat, and do it C, and so on. So let's do D for dog, and let's press enter. Then let's go to E. So E for elephant,